What's up? It's your boy. We're going to get some McDonald's. I got in trouble yesterday. Met up with Adam here, new guy to the group. I've never met him before. Now I have. Hello. Make sure there's no cops behind us. That truck looks mean. I like that. Just blacked out everything. Awesome.
Driver's license, registration.
Can we at least get off the road? So
What's that?
can we at least get off the road?
Stay right here.
I need to get off the bike to get my papers.
That's fine. Just gonna hang on to these.
You can go on, man, if you want. I don't to hold you up. I'm gonna need those to unlock my seat. Voila.
You got a class 6?
I do.
Yeah.
That's what I get for trying to be cool, I guess.
Your key for all your hair. Thank you.
I like that he thinks I'm gonna run even though he has all my info.
Dude, where did he come from?
I don't know. I even looked behind me. I was like, I don't see no one. All right, kick it up. And all of a sudden, instantly jumped behind us. I was like, oh, sh.
He seems like a gang.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely getting the tickets. As if.
I was so dumb.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, man.
No, it's all good.
We're gonna go to work late off.
No, I gotta work at 10. We're good. It was bound to happen eventually. I even said it on my way here. I kept doing wheelies. I was like, fuck, I'm gonna get pulled over. They're so sneaky these days with their ghost vehicles, for fuck's sake.
Did you see the one, like, you know those Volkswagen?
Yeah, I wheelied past him the other day and he was stuck at a light.
Dude, those things are sneaky.
Yep. Definitely a ticket. My last ticket?
Yeah.
I think speeding.
Speeding?
For sure.
Here's your documents back. So you're getting a careless driving ticket.
Perfect.
$567 fine. It's under section 115 sub 2 sub B of the Traffic Safety Act. You have until December 15th to decide what you're going to do with it, pay it or otherwise. Not to pay it, you decide to argue it in court.
Okay, yeah. I was just like, there's options?
That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey. Perfect.
Pretty sure we've had a few complaints about you, or at least somebody on a black bike that matches this bike.
Yeah.
Okay, doing pretty much the same stuff that I just witnessed you doing.
Yeah.
You need to tone it down.
Okay, for sure.
Otherwise,
Yeah.
what's going to end up happening, you're either going to get suspended due to demerits, or you're going to end up getting this thing towed,
Yeah.
or you're going to end up racking up and hurting yourself or somebody else.
Yeah, exactly.
You need to rein it in. Okay,
Okay.
I get it. It's a nice bike, goes fast. In town here, that stuff is going to get you killed really fast. Makes sense?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Okay, take care.
Yeah, have a good one. Should I wheelie away?
I mean, not gonna lie though, I thought it would be a little bit more expensive.
Yeah.
All right. You can hang on to that.
Okay.
You are going to be issued a speeding ticket.
Okay.
I just wrote Do you know Connor?
No, I don't.
You don't know Connor?
No. I ride solo a lot. I don't.
Yeah, I got in trouble. I got first time getting caught by the police doing wheelies. Long story short, your boy ain't gonna be driving soon, so I can't afford to drive anymore. It's getting ridiculous. Yeah, I looked around. I was riding around with a new guy yesterday, Adam. He's in the bike group that I'm in, and I never met him before. And then I just was going to work, and I was like, you know what? I'll go for a quick ride. That's my neighbor. He never peace signs back. Too good for me. But yeah, your boy's got some tickets. Gonna have to start a GoFundMe soon. God damn. Or win the lottery. I don't know. I wish I lived in a bigger city, like, so I could be like these stunt guys and just rock no plate and it's all good. But no, I live in a tiny little city, so you're very recognizable to the police.
McDonald. We're introducing Dunkin' Donuts. May I take your order?
Yeah. Hello, could I just get a crispy ranch snack wrap and then a Big Mac and an apple pie?
One Big Mac and apple pie?
Yes.
Two? Two is about 180.
Sure.
Okay.
And then just a large strawberry Fruitopia, and that's everything. I was like, is this bitch give me her number? Okay. What? All right. Yeah, I said I got in trouble for doing wheelies yesterday. Like, come on. Got a break. Buddy looked at me so weird when I started talking. Yeah. Oh, thank you. You do. Alright. I can't turn left, but we're making it. Gonna lean. Will my drink make it? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think we're in. I can't find neutral. Oh, bro, we got this. We got this. We're good. We're golden. I don't know. We'll probably go out tonight. See if there's anyone riding around. Might be able to run into some of the group at Lube or something. You stay shut. So funny, I can't turn left, so I just look like noob because I keep having to put my foot down. Should I wheelie? Well, we made it. Yo, what's up? We forgot to make an outro, so here we are, making an outro. Rip into the store. Long story short, we did not make it. I did not notice my drink had sprung a leak in the bottom and was leaking all over my damn house. So now I got sticky floors. I had to sat down and was grabbing my food and all of a sudden drip, 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 drip on the ground off the counter. I was like, what the hell? Picked up my drink and it's just pouring on the bottom. I thought we made it, but we didn't. Yeah, so making an outro. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your boy got in trouble. Stay tuned for more and I'll try not to get in trouble. But you know the deal. All that good YouTube stuff. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. Message me on Instagram. Say what's up. I like it. Makes me feel low-key famous. Yeah, on that note, turn signal. Y'all have a beautiful day. It's a beauty day out. I like this punch buggy. Yeah, you know the deal. All that stuff. Till next time. Peace.